my name is Jordan Reese. I'm the president of Unite for Sight at UTSA. I'm a medical humanities major with a minor in chemistry and biology. And I started Unite for Sight at UTSA because I wanted to make a global impact, and I wanted other students to have the opportunity to do so too. I'm the direct link between the international headquarters in Connecticut and our clinic in Accra, Ghana.
Hi guys, my name is Rhonda Ibrahim. I'm a public health major and biology minor, and I am the vice president of fundraising outreach for Unite for Sight. And basically what I do is I help establish fundraisers for off-campus for our organization, and also help promote our online fundraisers.
Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Monga and I'm a computer science student here at UTSA, and I have a minor in cybersecurity. I'm the VP of campus fundraising for Unite for Sight, and my basic duty is I hold on-campus fundraisers so that we can fundraise for our chapter.
Why I think that you should join Unite for Sight is because Unite for Sight is a great opportunity for you to really contribute to such an amazing cause that will help have a lasting and a life-changing effect on thousands and thousands of people worldwide.
Basically, you should join Unite for Sight because you can contribute to a beautiful cause that is essentially for restoring people's sight in general.
We should all come together as a community at UTSA to realize that we can make an impact in this world by fundraising or doing whatever it is to help those who really are in need. And the patients in Ghana or otherwise wouldn't receive the medical treatment we are providing if we didn't make the effort to do so. So please come out and join Unite for Sight UTSA. It's a great cause. You're opening the eyes of the nations, and you're allowing people to see this beautiful world again. Thank you so much.